Today, we will be testing a momentum-based strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum-based strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 580 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator with the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator on a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a momentum-based strategy. And so the source video says best no lag indicator on TradingView step-by-step strategy. And so, as far as the source video title goes, I know I've said it many times before, but it's worth repeating is that the best no lag indicator, to make that claim, obviously we would need to test every single no lag indicator, and there's a lot of indicators on TradingView, and you would have to test them in every single configuration. As far as settings and stuff like that goes, it's just a really hard claim to make that you have the best of any particular indicator. Doesn't mean that it's a bad indicator or a good indicator, and of course we will put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. So what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the step channel momentum trend. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And what you're going to want to do is go up here, hover over top of the indicator name, go to the three dots, click on the three dots, then go to visual order and check the bring to front selection. Then the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the swing arm ATR trend. And it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. We're going to jump into the settings of this one. What we're going to do is we're going to change the ATR period to 9, the ATR factor to 9, then go ahead and jump in to the styles and just uncheck this Extremon selection right here. Then go ahead and click OK. And then before you start, just double check that the bar coloration is working properly. If it's not, you might have to go up and bring this back to the front one more time. And so what we're looking for a short trade example. So we were looking for when the black flag or swing arm ATR has a red background like this here. We're then waiting for a price to pull back into the step channel and start giving us some orange bars like this here. And then we're looking for a price to break back down below the channel, giving us a first red bar like this one here. And that would be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right above this pivot area, or possibly above the channel created by the step channel momentum indicator. It's kind of up to you where you put it. You can also put it right above the orange candle that formed kind of the pullback. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for. So we're looking for when the black flag swing arm indicator has a green background like this here. We're then looking at the step channel momentum trend. And what we want is we want price to start giving us some orange candles like this here. And we're looking for a pullback into the channel. And then of course we're looking for that break back to the upside with a green candle like this here. And that would be our signal to then enter into a long. We would put our trade here. Again, we're going to put our stop here, just kind of below the swing created by this pullback. That is generally kind of the safest place you can put the stop, or again, you could place it right at the orange candles that kind of were part of the pullback, but generally the swing like right here is just your best option. Then go ahead and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see we get a really nice strong push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 28 winning trades and 22 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 56% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $8,400. I would have put your total profit and loss at a gain of $8,000. And so is it the best no lag indicator? Not really sure, but it definitely did a pretty decent job of keeping us in profit. And so can't complain too much about this strategy. Definitely check it out. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 47 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator and the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator. We had right at a 75% win rate and a total gain right at $17,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.